Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an interesting update from CA Nanban.
Hello everyone and welcome to CA Nanban. I am your friend CA Pratik and you are watching the first episode of the weekly tax updates with me, where I am going to discuss the tax updates, that is the circulars and notifications brought by various tax authorities in the past week, that is from the 31st of August till the 6th of September. So without further ado, let's begin with GST. The first update comes on 31st of August 2020, where CBIC, that is the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, released their notification 64/2020 Central Tax, in which they have extended the due date to file Form GSTR4 to 31st of October. Hence, if you are a composition taxable person and if you have to file your Form GSTR4 for the financial year 1920, you can now do it till 31st of October this year. Next update comes on 1st September, when CBIC again issued notification 65/2020 Central Tax, wherein they have extended the due date to comply with anti-profiteering measures under section 171 to 30th of November this year. Hence, if you have to comply with section 171, you have got some extra time. I would also like to say that before this week also there were loads of GST updates, wherein Aadhaar was introduced for GST registration and interest is now charged only on net tax liability. For those updates, you can go to the I button on the top right of this video and watch those videos as well. Now let us jump into the next topic, that is income tax. In income tax, there is only one major update, where CBDT, that is Central Board of Direct Taxes, or you can also call it the Income Tax Department, brought in the circular 16/2020. But before telling about the circular, I have to take you a little back to share the background behind this circular. Actually, from the beginning of this year, a section called 269 SU of the Income Tax Act was implemented, wherein the persons having turnover of more than 50 crores were asked to mandatorily keep certain modes of payment to collect the payments from customers, and those modes of payments were RuPay debit card, UPI and UPI QR code. If the persons do not have these modes of payment available with them, then they will be penalized. The Income Tax Department also asked the banks not to levy any charges on these modes of payment from the beginning of this year. But since then, it was noticed that certain banks were actually levying charges on these modes of payment. Hence, Income Tax Department brought this circular, in which they have asked the banks not to charge any charges on these modes of payment from now onwards, and also if any charges were levied before this from the beginning of this year, then the department has asked to refund those charges. So this was the circular. Now let's go to the next section, that is customs. When it comes to customs, the first update came on the 2nd of September, when CBIC issued notification 28/2020 and 29/2020 relating to anti-dumping duty, and they have imposed anti-dumping duty on float glass and ciprofloxacin hydrochloride. Sorry if I got the pronunciation wrong, if both of them are imported from China. So now these two products are going to become costly in the coming days. The notification you can find in the description. Next update came on 3rd September, when CBIC issued notification 84/2020, where they have released the fresh exchange rates to calculate the custom duty. So if you want to see the exchange rates in detail, you can see the notification in the description box and see them in detail. The next update came on 4th September, where CBIC issued circular 40/2020, where they have made a big step of introducing faceless assessment all over India when it comes to customs duty from 31st of October onwards. Actually, CBIC had started their Current Customs program, which actually strives for faceless, paperless and contactless customs clearances, so that there can be speedy clearance and there can be less corruption. So now faceless assessment will start from 31st of October onwards on all customs assessment. So these were the updates relating to tax of the past week. If you felt that I missed out on something, you can surely let me know in the comment section below. If you have any suggestion for me to improve or to include some content in my videos, you can let me know that too in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to never miss an interesting update from CA Nanban. So till the next video, take care. Bye bye.